What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Mass Market. Hopefully you're doing well tonight. If you're brand new to the channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button for us and clicking that like button for us too as well. So tonight we're going to be doing some TA on Bitcoin, giving you guys a fresh update about kind of what happened today with the jobs report. Kind of sent Bitcoin flying for a minute, but then coming back down to reality. And of course, we're going to reference our line that we drew last night off the charts, off the 4 hour, kind of show you where we are, where we think we could be heading. Pretty nice bull flag, bear flag setting up for Bitcoin right now. So yeah, a little bearish right now, guys, but we're going to talk about all that here tonight off the live stream. Let me get one thing set up real quick and then we'll get kicked off into the charts. But hopefully you're doing well tonight. Big Friday, got a 3-day weekend, so we'll be doing quite a bit of live streaming this weekend. So we'll be keeping you guys up to date with the latest and greatest information in the crypto space coming your way. Let me put out the alert real quick and then we'll get kicked off. But if you just tune in, I hope you're having a great weekend so far. A great start to your weekend. Great Friday night. I want to thank you for tuning in to the show tonight. I'm just getting everything cranked up and then we'll get rocked. We'll get rocking, guys. If you got any questions, got any TA you want me to go over, feel free to drop them in the chat. I'm gonna do a quick overview of the market real quick, and then we'll get cranked up. So Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index. Let's see, we're at 21. Little bit more fear in the market than yesterday. Yesterday the Fear and Greed Index was at 25. Now it's at 21. Last week we're at 28, and then last month, same time, we were around 30. So definitely going down with the market. So they are correlated right now. Let's take a look at the top crypto by market cap. See any big movers today? Ethereum in the past 7 days, really 4%. That's the biggest out of the top 10. What it looks like. Everything else is pretty top 10. Everything's pretty much sideways on the day. A little red. Dogecoin down about 1%. Ethereum down about 0.5%. Any big movers today? Litecoin, check it out, 6.57%. We actually gave you that price target of $60 here the other night here off the live stream, so that was very nice to see it gap fill up to that $60 range. We're going to talk about that here tonight. I'll probably pull up the charts here in a bit. Let's see what else we got, guys. Zcash is up 3%. That's not bad. HT's up 3%. What else we got? Starting to get in the 80s. 1inch network, 3.4%. We might look at that, see what's going on there. But that's pretty much it. Celsius, over the past 7 days, up 50%. Wow. I think that's the biggest mover out of the top 10. We got Lido. LDO is up 20% the past 7 days. eCash XEC is up 23.22% past 7 days. Monero's up 7%. Litecoin 15. Litecoin could be making a little bit of a comeback. Polygon 13%, doing extremely well. Got rejected at 90-cent range, so I'll have to take a look at that and see what's going on there. Maybe give y'all some TA on some Matic once again. So we'll be pulling that up here shortly. What's up, Travis? Good to see you, bro. What's up, Rick? Rick, give him hell at poker tonight. I'm expecting you to. Wow, man. All right. So where we at off the charts for Bitcoin, guys? What the hell is going on? We drew this little line here off the 4 hour chart, and we did. We got the break to the upside. I don't know if you recall last night before we ended the stream, we were kind of hovering right here. Said, hey, man, we'll probably break to the upside right here out of this little descending triangle, and we did. And that happened today in the formal jobs report. Came in a little bit weaker. I think there was some mixed there was some mixed information about the jobs report. It turned out to be solid, but it wasn't as solid as expectations. So for that reason alone, I think we saw a little pump and then we dropped out of the market. But here's what's got me a little bit concerned. Kind of same little setup scenario that we have here. Had a nice bear flag here, which started August 19th and lasted until about the 26th. So about, you know, was that a week and a half? So we started here on the 26th, and now we're on the 3rd here. So, you know, if something's going to happen here shortly, if we can't hold this 19.5, which, you know, we got triple bottom off of 19.5, guys, I am expecting us to make a move down to that 19 flat, man. And we do have some support here. We bounced back here in June quite a few times, about 4 times before we rallied up. So if you kind of look at this in the perspective, 1, 2, 3, maybe a 4th time we could rise up, but you know, the charts are looking a little bit weaker. Volume is really not here right now. So I'm not expecting any big moves to the upside, but I am worried, a little concerned right now with Bitcoin, just the way the price action is going. That 14 is not looking too healthy. That 14 moving average, that 50's coming down pretty hard, and then we are still well below that 200, and that 200 is coming down, which is at 22,000 right now as we sit. So 20% for the day. Check math. Yeah, man, we'll check it out. I'll pull it up here. I'm sure it's on TradingView, so I'll be able to pull it up here off the charts. Guys, is my camera kind of blurry for y'all? Yeah, I hate when it does this, man. Give me a second. I don't have any filters on it, man. I wonder why it's doing that. So yeah, guys, let me know if I'm a little blurry. It might fix itself. I'm sorry about that. Yeah, I am. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take that off a little bit, kind of let it rest. I don't know why. I might have to get a new webcam here shortly. If it keeps doing that, it's pretty aggravating. So let me get that clicked off. Okay, so guys, break to the downside. I am expecting that 19 flat, and I think we're going to see that pretty soon. Hopefully this weekend's going to be pretty nice for us, but we have broken down below 20,000. We are not holding right now. So for that reason alone, I put the title of the video, hey, is it time to sell? It could be time to take some profits off of some stuff right now. In the case that we do end up dropping a little bit lower. I think if we do drop, we're going to have some pretty big red candles, kind of mimicking what happened here on the 26th, and then off the 19th. That was a span of 2 weeks right here. So that was really a lot of price dropping right there. So I don't know what's going to happen here. If we're going to get, you know, if that was our little peak here, if we go for a 4th quadruple bottom right here for 19.5, I think we break to the downside. So the big question is, if we don't hold 19, where are we going? Of course, we got the 17.5, so we can go ahead and mark 17.5 off of our charts, just as a reference point, and that ended up being 17.6. So I'm trying to mark that flat right here. That's close enough. So that gives us 2 more channels to the downside that we can kind of look for if we would see a bust to the downside, guys. So with that being said, that's kind of what I'm seeing here for Bitcoin, man. Not looking too bearish right now. We can check the RSI, kind of see what's going on there. Yeah, RSI is starting to come down. 45, starting to approach that oversold territory here off the 4-hour chart. MACD probably going to start flipping red here soon, so I do expect some more downside potentially coming to you this weekend, guys. So, look, I know it's the bear market. I know everything kind of sucks right now, man. This is just crypto in the crypto winter, and it will be back, man. And when everything does come back, now's the best time to buy, man. And when everything does come back, it's going to come back even greater than before. So don't fret. Don't you know, kick yourself too hard if you are down on some positions. Oh my God, that's so blurry. We'll let that ride though. Watch, I can filter some of that light out. That might be what's messing me up. So, cool. I guess I just had some gloss on the frame of the camera. But guys, let me know in the chat if you're here with me tonight. I'd appreciate it, man. It's always good to know who's rocking with me tonight. Buy and hold. Yeah, man, just right now, Travis, dude, I really think we're going to get a drop to the downside. And for that reason alone, man, I'm just hanging tight, bro, because, you know, if I'm expecting to move to the downside, I'm not going to, you know, put a whole lot in it right now. because that's going to affect a lot of your altcoins, man. I think it's going to surprise people if we get one more big drop out of Bitcoin right now, where we could actually head for. So, yeah, man, math. Let's check it out. I'm gonna pull up TradingView real quick, and then it always asks me to update it for some reason. Exit this out. Alright, so this is what happened overnight for Luna. As you can see, we had this ascending triangle right here, and we drew this line to the downside. So what I'm going to do is get rid of that, and I'm going to extend this because it looks like it's respecting that, to be honest with you, pretty well. So we did get a break to the downside out of the ascending triangle, so we are starting to ride a level to the downside right now. So we'll see how far down we go. Let's actually see, we're at 2397. Hopefully you got the alerts last night from the video that we put out. You know, we said, hey, Luna Classic, is it time to sell? It's time to take some profits, man. And it was the truth, man. That 3-0 top, we just wanted to put you guys on point to let you know, hey, man, this is probably going to be top right here. Take you some profits and buy in a little bit cheaper. So if you took that into context and you did operate a sell right here, you did pretty good for yourself. So Luna definitely probably has some more in the gas tank. Just as of right now, I think you're going to start heading back to that 2-1 and that 2-0-0-0 level, for at least for retest. Most of the time, you'll go back for retest before you have them big breaks like you had right here, which is at 2-0 flat, right in this area right here, before you broke up with some massive candles. So be on the lookout for that. That's a little update on Luna Classic, guys. I hope it does some stuff, but right now it's not looking too good. Okay, math. M-A-T-H. Okay, I see what you're rapping about. Give me 1 second. All right, so yeah, man, this thing had a pretty good explosion. Let me pull it up on this side. So up 15.6% today. Yeah, man. I would take my profits though off of this if it already pumped for you. That 17-cent range was probably where it's at, man. You got any math, bro? It's back to 14. Hate to say it, man, but you're probably going to see it back around that 13 to 12 cent range, man. You got a sell indicator coming in right now, not too long ago here off of math. So we'll see. I'll keep my eye on it, man. But yeah, you'll probably see that 13 cent range coming once again. So I'd be on the lookout for that. Always ask me to update, even though it's updated. I don't get it. I don't get it, bro. All right, so that's what we got for Luna Classic. Math, bro, is it looks good, man. What happened to it today looked great, but I would be concerned about what's going to happen here in the next day or two. I got you, man. Man, sentiment has been so freaking low, man. It's hard to even get people to the live streams anymore. Just tell me I got one person, which is just wow. You know, that's just how it goes, though, man. We're gonna leave this little line right here for Bitcoin. Pop up some Ethereum. Ethereum since 1422, man, it's looking a lot better than Bitcoin right now. I think that's going to be the case in the next coming weeks. I honestly think we're going to start to look for 1700 here, probably 1650 by the time that's 200. That 200 is going to start to dip as the price just fluctuates, man. So I think that's going to start to come down as you know, you try to hedge your way back up to 1700. But I think 1700 is going to be the ticket for it right here, especially with the way 2.0, the merger is coming out in the next 2 weeks. So I would expect to move up here. We'll see what happens. That's kind of what I'm expecting. If not, you got 1500. And of course, everything goes south. You got 1450 for some levels right here. And then, of course, 1300. You got a pretty big gap between 1450 and 1300. So just be careful with that. Let me check some real quick. Yeah, appreciate it, Travis. I see you in here, bro. All right, so that's what we got for Ethereum, guys. Upside 1700, downside 1300 right now. Kind of big channel, but you know, we got a lot going on with it. AIOZ, I'll check it out. Real quick, I want to check Shiba. Someone wanted me to check it on the daily, actually. And it doesn't look too bad, man. And the little pump could be inbound. Maybe another move back for that 200. Sitting at 1700 right here, 1700. So, yeah, it looks pretty freaking good, man. That rejection off that 200 was solid, though. So the TA definitely held true to that. Hey, thanks, Travis. Appreciate it, man. Yeah, it's tough, bro. Especially in these bear markets. No one's really searching up crypto, man. So we'll keep striving, man. We'll be around for the next bear bull market, and when that comes, man, everything's gonna get fun again. Right now, it's not so much fun. Just the way it goes, man. People need to realize, like, now is the time where you really want to start purchasing your crypto and getting ready for this next bull run. That's just the way it is, man. Look at the weekly right here. You know, you trade down here for, you know, up until this point, you can make another. I mean, the next big spike off of Shiba like this could be even greater, you know. And then they got burn mechanisms coming, man. It's going to be great. So, what's up, One Shot? I don't know if you just tuned in, man, but I was kind of talking about Ethereum too. I don't know if you caught that, but weekly for Ethereum's not too bad, but the 4 hour, I know we talked a little bit earlier, man. That move to 1700 could happen with this merger. So I'm a little bit more bullish on Ethereum. The chart looks a little bit better. You're starting to set some higher highs and higher lows right here. So a little bit of an uptrend right now. Could be making your way back up to this yellow line, the 200 moving average, which is currently sitting at 1700. So if we do get that, man, I think that's going to be pretty solid. And then, but 1700 is going to be pretty hard for us to get over. So we'll have to see if we got the volume at the time. The only thing that's going to hamper Ethereum's ability to get back to 2000 right now is going to be what happens with Bitcoin. If Bitcoin sees a pretty good dip to the downside, I really think that's going to hamper Ethereum's ability right here. I am a little concerned about another break to the downside right here. That could potentially land us toward 19,000 flat. And like I said earlier, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You got a bunch of touch points right here at 19,000 flat. And then besides that, there's a pretty big gap between that and 17.5. So you could have a bit of a fall here, guys. You know, it's looking weaker right here. You know, 4 hour chart, that's a nice little bear flag waving in the wind. Same little scenario that you had right here. Not quite the flagpole you had. But that might be a good sign. Maybe if we dip out again, the flagpole won't be as big as this one right here, and that would be a very good sign. So we'll see what happens with it. You look at Elon too, bro? Yeah, I'll check it out for you, Travis. Oh, cool. You just popped in? Awesome, bro. That's what I was talking about with Bitcoin, man, Ethereum. Another one I'm pretty bullish on right now is Matic. But Matic was pretty much getting rejected at that 90 cent range, man. It does look like it could potentially have a move to the upside once again. It did bounce off this 14, which is hooking pretty hard. That 50 starting to come up. So if Matic continues to push, and I think Matic and Ethereum are going to move here together in tandem. So if that continues to happen, guys, we could see a pretty good push here for Matic. And then break over 90 cents. 95 is really what I'm looking for, 94 to 95. But the chart looks pretty decent off of it. Setting some higher highs and higher lows. Maybe some type of consolidation right here would favor it underneath a level of resistance. And then maybe a move to the upside. The 200 is currently sitting at 87.59. Let me change this right here. So we're at 87.69. So we're just above the 200 moving average right here for Polygon. So could potentially make a pretty good move to the upside from where we're currently sitting at if we can gain some more volume and steam. Let's see where the RSI is at. RSI cooled off here once we had that rejection, but it is starting to hook back up. There's a little slant right here on the RSI. Could indicate that we could be going on for another little rip. So we'll see what happens here. It's still at 59, pretty much 60. So still a lot of buying volume stepping into Matic. And we'll see how that plays out over the next couple of days. What's up, SL? Just bought BCH an hour ago, and it's green. I just looked at that real quick, man, for the coin market caps. We went over the biggest movers. Where was it? Celsius was up 50% this week, guys. That was crazy to see. Bitcoin Cash, 0.53%. I don't think it's on Webull, but I can pop it up on TradingView if you want to take a look at it, man. If you don't mind, man, what price did you get in at? It's almost up 1% right now, man. So, yeah, you caught a little rip on it, man. Good stuff. So, guys, that's what we got for Matic. We could touch base on Shiba, man. I wanted to show y'all something on Shiba. I thought that was pretty interesting. So, this chart right here doesn't look too good. You pumped up to a level of resistance and took a step down, tried to come up, got rejected again. The trend is your friend. You would think you would have another little step down. But this is the 4-hour chart. And you are starting to get a death cross, so that is important to note. It's the low volume and the death cross and the indicators that you're getting is favoring the bears right here. But if you go to this daily chart, I'm sorry, man. Shiba looks a pretty nice little uptrend, man. Pretty nice little uptrend. Could be ready for a pop. And if it would make a move, back to 1500, that would be the best case scenario. That's probably where your 200 moving average is going to be at by the time you get a pretty good pump like that. So that's best case scenario, guys. That's being that Bitcoin holds itself up, doesn't completely drop out from the current levels that we're sitting at. And, we have a pretty nice pump in the market, which I'm hoping I'm wrong here, guys. I'm hoping Bitcoin starts to, do some shit soon. But, guys, we are below 20,000, and that's really starting to alarm me right here. We had trouble staying right on top of 20,000. Now we're dipping below 20,000, and I think we're going to have some trouble getting back over 20,000. So that's really going to hamper any type of bull sentiment in the market right now, and that's why I'm a little bit concerned right now. But, guys, we have a long weekend, so I will be reporting most of the weekend, keeping you guys up to date with what's going on, man. If you're not following me on Twitter, my link's in the comments right here. Drop me a follow on Twitter. I'm pretty active. I try to stay active, trying to build that Web3 community. So if you haven't yet, drop me a follow. I'll follow you back. And of course, we got the Discord too. We can stay in touch there. But I'll be streaming for most of the weekend. As all says, I bought it my average from 97 to 110. Hell yeah, bro. Dude, my camera again. There we go. It's been getting blurry on me for some reason. I don't know why. So Mana and Magic will move bro way later, but your best bet off is Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Ethereum Classic right now. Just my thought. That's some very good moves, bro. I haven't checked ETH Classic, bro. Let me remove Roblox and check out Ethereum Classic. Where it's at, 34.49. Let's go back to the charts. Ethereum Classic could be a potential mover with this Ethereum upgrade too as well. Look at them charts, man. Daily chart looks freaking awesome. You actually got a cross right here off the daily, man. What do you have here? But you got a death cross off the 4 hour. And it looks like it's starting to maintain. So there was that last level we drew at 34. Didn't quite hold it. Now we are trading underneath it. So where could we be heading next? Of course, we got 31. So I'd say 31, 30 bucks. That's what I'd be looking for here for some type of level of support here for Ethereum Classic to a dip to the downside. One shot GT. That dude just dropped a $5 super chat bomb. Thank you very much. One shot GT, bro, for the support, dog. And I know I missed your super chats you dropped me last night, so thank you for the triple bomb that you dropped me last night before we hopped off the live stream, man. Much freaking love and much appreciated, bro. Helping keep the lights on over here. And he's dropping it again. Dropping another $5. Make you holla. Super chat. Thank you very much, man, for making this little kid dance on my screen in the club where he's not supposed to be. This dude's trying to break my shit right here, man. He's trying to break it. I'm not on hotel internet this week, though. So good luck with that. One shot GT for the triple $5 back-to-back super chat attack, my friend. Thank you, man. I really appreciate it, bro. You're too nice, man. You're too kind to me, bro. I might need to upgrade my super chat menus too. This little kid's been with me for a while though, so I might keep him. Y'all, I don't know if y'all been following me for a while, but One Shot's the reason why I had to go out and spend a bunch of money on some brand new computer equipment, because he kept coming in here when we first met and breaking my live streams with his super chat donations. So it was good times. And then he caught me when I was in Texas last week trying to break my hotel internet for good old times. I thought that was pretty funny stuff, man. Pretty funny guy. So yeah, guys, Ethereum Classic could benefit off the Ethereum 2.0 upgrade, so be on the lookout for it. Anybody still holding Doge? Dogecoin, anybody? Doge looking pretty good off this 1 minute chart. Let's go to 30-minute chart. Not looking too good. All right, and guys, for the most part, anytime I'm looking at these charts, I'm going off the trusty 4-hour chart, and we've been sideways, bro. We've been sideways with a little bit of action coming in to that 8-cent pump, but just up and down, just sideways action. Probably gonna head to the upside here shortly. If Bitcoin would break to the downside, I just actually moved. I gotta take that indicator off, the RSI. I just moved one of my technical lines that I had right here at 4 cents. We're getting pretty close to breaking down here, heading back to 5 cents for Doge. So just be careful, guys. Be careful, man. If you're holding some Doge, you could end up dropping down as little as 4. There's really not much support. You'll catch some traffic. You'll catch some type of support here in the 5 cent range. But ultimately, 4 cent range is probably where we're going to be heading back to if Bitcoin does what we think it's going to do, which is why the title of this video is it time to sell? It could be, man. It could be time to take some profits, you know, but we'll see. Yeah, look into Ethereum Classic news, Matt, coming out. Yeah, Ethereum Classic is the original Ethereum protocol, so I do see it benefiting from the hype from the merge. So I think that's going to be a pretty good play too in itself. Man, I should have been picking that stuff up when it was $9, man. To be honest with you, that shit got down to $9, and that would have been better play than buying Ethereum at 800. Where is it? Let me see. ETC. $12. I'm sorry. 12 to 47. That'd have been a better play than Ethereum when Ethereum went to 800, man. And it looks strong. It really does, man. That's the 4-hour chart, you know. Yeah, nice leg up, nice leg up. Came up once again. Now you're starting to lose a little bit of steam, but you're holding support. But man, if you don't hold some support, you're gonna be looking at 28 to 30 here for Ethereum Classic. So SL says, I hope it drops hard. I'll double it. Yeah, if it does, man, I'm expecting a drop to the downside, bro. I don't know how you're feeling about everything right now, but I'm expecting a move to the downside here for crypto in the next upcoming days. So we'll just have to see how it goes, man. Nobody knows where it's going. No one can tell you where it's going. They can just give you an educated guess. This is AVAX Crypto. Man, our points have been hitting on dude, they're on point. Look at this. 30 bucks. Got rejected. Probably heading back for a $15 retest for AVAX here, guys. So be on the lookout for that. We got Death Cross indicator coming in off the 23rd. So we'll see if that continues to play itself out. But AVAX could be heading back for a $15, even a potential $13 double bottom here if everything goes according to the way we feel about Bitcoin, which, crazy to say, Bitcoin could be trading about 16 to 17,000 here in the next week or two if we break to the downside here shortly. So, and I do think that's possible, especially with the way the Fed's going to come out with you know, a bigger interest rate hike. I don't think the market's quite priced in yet. I think we're going to see one more drop before CPI data and stuff starts to come out and the Fed goes to talk in the next you know, week and a half. So just be extremely prepared for that, guys. That's all we try to do on the channel over here, is give you guys up-to-date information so you can make the best you know, the best decisions with your short-term trade cryptos and your long-term trade cryptos too as well. This dude dropped dude peeling out in his gaming chair. Super chat. One Shot GT, thank you very much for that guy peeling out in his computer chair. Super chat, $10. Make you holla. Super chat. Thank you for making this little kid dance on my screen. Once again, my friend. The trend is my friend. Thank you very much. What's up, Nick? What do you think about BTC moves with the market now? For example, SPY. Here's what I've been watching very closely, man. And this is a very good indicator, man. US dollar index, DXY. Look at this thing, dude. Just retesting for another 109. And, man, that's the indicator that I've been watching super closely, man. And that's where I would pretty much watch. This is going to be an introvert to Bitcoin right now. As the dollar moves up, Bitcoin drops in price. So you are looking for a level to where, I mean, this thing could go on a breakout. And I think that's, let me go back here. You know, you could make a move to 112 if you get this break here next week during the week. So we'll see how that goes. Give me 1 second, guys. Sorry, my kids were yelling at me. So yeah, DXY, bro. I would look at that. Look, the SPY's definitely going to give you some information. If the SPY's dipping like a mug, Bitcoin's probably going to follow. NASDAQ too. I watched the NASDAQ. I do reference the stock market, but I've been referencing DXY a lot harder here lately to the price of Bitcoin. That's really going to help you time the bottom, my friend. So hopefully that helps you, man. And man, if you're new to the channel, man, consider hitting that subscribe button for us, man. We would appreciate it. I think I've seen you around here before, but man, I talk to a lot of people, so forgive me if we have spoken before. Dude threw them glasses up. With 50% of my bear profits is itching to buy the dip. Well, hey, man, I'm glad you took profits finally. I guess that's good news. S. Hall, for everybody who doesn't know, was one of the biggest bears I know for a while. And he's buying up right now. So, hey, man, that should tell you something. We're close to the bottom, I do believe, than what most people think. Hibbs is making a weekly paycheck for the last year. Hey, bro, got to make it. Already have? Hey, thank you, Nick. Hey, are you following me on Twitter, bro? If you have a Twitter, my handle's right there, man. I'd appreciate it if you drop me a follow on Twitter. and turn them notifications on, man. You can always get in touch with me if you got any questions throughout the day. You can hit me up on there or in Discord, man. So appreciate it, man. I thought I've seen you around here before, but you know, I talk to a lot of people, man. I think there's like 5 Nicks that hang out here, so you know, I start to forget some of them. So you got to forgive me, man. I used to be a lot better with remembering people's names before I started this whole social media journey. So now it's kind of all a fog, you know. So FTM, guys, where do we stand? Where are we going? What the hell's going on? Let me get to the 4-hour chart. We were within a big gap right here, which I could pop some lines. I'm not gonna choke it up, but we broke a little bit to the downside. Death cross once again off the 21st. FTM is one of my best plays so far in crypto. I sold at 280. Now it's down to 26 cents, and man, you know, I'm just waiting patiently, ever so patiently right now, just to buy the dip, man. So I wouldn't recommend going in too heavy right now, guys. Just kind of, you know, throw a little bit here, throw a little bit there. I think we have some more downside to go, but I don't think it's much. You know, I think once Bitcoin makes this move that it's going to make, hopefully it'll be pretty quick and pretty fast. But I am expecting 17,000 for Bitcoin once again. When the DXY does fall from grace, JNUG will explode its price. It's lower than the Rona. Hey, JNUG, let's check it out real quick, bro. But FTM, guys, if you're looking for a good entry point, really, once everything breaks to the downside, anything underneath 20 cents is going to treat you pretty well, guys. Let's check out JNUG. Let's go back to 2020. $2018. Yeah, man. Wow, 32 bucks here in 2020. Yeah, I have to keep an eye on that, man. That's pretty freaking flat, bro. This is 16. Wow. Yeah, I'm gonna have to keep an eye on that, man. Might have to pick me up a few. That's crazy, man. 43,000. That's crazy, bro. Yeah, I'm gonna keep my eye on that, bro. I'm gonna do some research on it and stuff, and then hopefully I can put some stuff out for y'all. I like to watch US 30 and the S&P 500 stock market charts. If they run up, most likely crypto will follow on a run up. Yeah, absolutely, man. I used to watch the SPY for the longest time. Just lately, the dollar DXY has been working pretty well for me. So that's why I've been referencing the DXY. Yeah, it's a leveraged inverse. That's all saying. UST is the inverse, or just dust. What's up, Vampire Kangaroo? This dude's creeping in the chat, man. Good to see you, bro. I met that dude a couple years ago off another stream, man. Glad to see you stuck around, bro. X2 leverage, I got you. Yeah, XRP breaking down below that ascending triangle we finally had. So, yeah, just crypto's looking weaker in general, guys. Man, that fucking 1800 Shiba sell target we gave everybody, man. That was the ticket, bro. Look at that. It's 1222. Like, dude, I'm telling you, we can't give financial advice here, but when I tell you, hey, man, take some profits, that's what it's looking for right here, bro. You'd have made some nice tendies off of that one right there. It's creeping like a vampire. Hey, I appreciate you, bro. I appreciate each and every one of y'all, man. It's whoa, look, my camera just went wacky. Hold on. Dude, it's really tough, guys. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, man. It's really tough streaming these bear markets, man, where just not a lot of people, when you're a smaller channel, you know, that didn't prosper off the last bull run, dude, it's extremely tough. But you know what, dude? Next time everybody's looking up crypto, dude, we're gonna be here. We're gonna capitalize off that. We're gonna build a great freaking community. We already got a great community, but it's just so tough right now to get viewerships for the live streams. And it sucks, man, because we're putting out some good information for everybody, and I feel like a lot of the YouTubers out there just fucking, they don't give a fuck about their communities, and use them to make money and all that good stuff, and don't really give a fuck about them. So it is a little aggravating to see stuff like that, but I can't focus on that, man. I gotta focus on myself and focus on building this community. So that's why I say I appreciate each and every one of y'all, man. I really freaking do. Give me 1 second, guys. 1 second. Yeah, sorry. I thought I heard one of my kids like freaking out, so I had to go see what the heck is going on in there. Let me see if this camera's working yet. Still blurry. I'm gonna have to get another one, man. It's not cooperating. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go get one tomorrow. Yeah, it's just gonna be blurry. I don't know why it's doing that, so I'm probably go get one tomorrow. It's about time. That one's about 2 years old. So, guys, y'all got any questions? Any cryptos you want to look at? That's XRP. You're probably looking at 28 cents for XRP coming in again. And then I'm about to start posting some stuff out on Twitter, and then putting some alerts on Discord. Let people know that, hey, we're probably going to drop a little bit here, guys. Stuff's not looking too strong. The volume sucks, and all the indicators are, to me, are pointing to some potential downside, man. So just want you guys to be informed and be careful out there, I don't know why, but people love sending me these super stickers, and they're cool as hell. They're my favorite ones, rather than a super chat. But Vampire Kangaroo, thank you very much for that 199 cent to pay your rent. Super chat. Thank you, brother, for helping us keep the lights on, man. Thank you very much, man, for that super chat. You're going to see a little kid dance upon your screen here shortly. Yeah, S Hall, LTC is doing well, bro. About 3 videos ago, we talked about Litecoin potentially breaking the 60, and we hit that price target, man. I was super pumped for that, man. We do need to look at that real quick. Let's pull that up. That's the daily. Litecoin. Yeah, we'll check it out one shot. Look at that, dude. Just broke nicely. Just went off that 50 and then just broke to the upside, man. Looking extremely bullish. I do expect us to come back to 58, 54. Maybe have a little retest here in the short term. But you did get rejected at some of these bottoms over here. Next move to the upside, your top right here would be 65, man. So Litecoin making some pretty bullish moves, man, with the rest of the market not doing too well. So very good to see Litecoin finally getting some action, finally getting some love. Maybe we can get to 65 and then see what happens after that. A break above that, you do have this little area of concern, 67 to 70. And of course, we'll touch base on that once we, if we can break above the 65. It's just tough to judge it right now to say, hey, we'll break over that or not. So we'll see what happens with it. Hey, Matt, looking to get in a Link coin and Atom play. Let me pull up Link real quick. Guys, another thing. Link coin. I think it's Link USD. Now, was that? Hold on. Let me double check. That's not it. Let me pull this off to the side and see if it's actually on TradingView. LN is $34.92. I think that's the one you're referring to. I have Litecoin projected to 24 bucks. Oh, I'm not saying that can't happen. I'm just saying it looks pretty bullish right now, according to everything else. What is this Litecoin? Link project was launched by Line, a global messenger company, to create blockchain platform and token economy and mainstream consumers. The Link ecosystem refers to the cryptocurrency environment that shares Line Corp's general purpose coin Link. The Link's Corp's goal is to build a token economy that can be used by anyone conveniently and naturally as part of a daily life. I'm gonna have to look further into this, bro. I've never come across it. 230 off the top, 500 crypto. So what's the other one? Atom. I think Atom's on Webull. ATOM. No, it's on here. USD. Cosmos. Cosmos, baby. 1257. Look at Cosmos, man. I haven't looked at this thing in a while. Dude, that's a really nice looking chart, man. Really, really looking bullish, man. Holy shit, look. Everything else has a death cross. This thing has, of course, I was back in July, but this thing has a golden cross. And it's maintaining, bro. You're starting to kind of have a little curvature right here, so we'll keep an eye on it. But man, looking really freaking good, bro. This chart looks really decent, especially in this type of market that we're in. And bro, there's not much. I mean, you break 1330, you're gonna go on a little bit of a rip here, man. There's not much keeping you down. This is definitely a potential really good play, man. I appreciate you dropping that too. 1350, man. That's the key. If we can get over 1350, man, watch out, bro. Cosmos gonna go on a bit of a rip. So I think between 13 and 10 right now is a pretty solid channel. We'll leave it there for some time and we'll come back and check it periodically. But dude, I'm gonna have to start checking Cosmos more, man. It looks really good, dude. That's a nice uptrend. You're setting higher highs and then higher lows, man. Looking very good, bro. Looking for a potential setup for a 1350 retest. If you get that, man, dude, watch out, bro. Another 5% gain on that. You're gonna be looking pretty well, bro. So I appreciate that one shot, bro. That's what I'm saying, man. It takes a community around here to really, really get into everything, man. And Atom looks freaking nice, dude. That looks even nicer than Litecoin before it broke to that 60 range, man. So I'm definitely gonna have to watch this more, man. That $5 buy-in, yeah, that'd have been a freaking pretty good play. Almost 200%. Hit 1350, so almost to about 150, somewhere around there, 170%. You'd have made buying the dip right there, guys. So Atom, definitely going on my watch list. I might even start tweeting about it, see who's really into Atom. Check out the community. SOL. Any of y'all still holding Solana by any chance? That is not it. Solana's breaking down, guys, and it's not looking too good. I'm thinking 26 here. If Bitcoin breaks to where we, I'm gonna even say 25, man. I'm gonna leave that at 25. We don't have much support left, and if Bitcoin drops another pretty down red flag again, that's where we're gonna ultimately gonna end up at. So Solana, I'm not too bullish on right now. It's not looking good, guys. It's really not. And you're probably gonna end up somewhere around that $25 to $20 range once everything's said and done, and we'll probably trade sideways from there for quite some time. So that's what I'm seeing with that. If y'all, let me see. So yeah, guys, I mean, that's what we're working with right now. The market's pretty shitty. Not a lot of people into crypto right now, but they'll be back, and they'll come flooding back in eventually. So now's the best time to buy, guys, and you're going to benefit. And we'll be sitting here a year from now, smoking our cigars, celebrating, buying these dips right now, guys. So like I said, man, I really appreciate each and every one of y'all. I think that's going to be a show for tonight. I'll probably go work on some stuff in the background. But I really do appreciate each and every one of y'all tuning in, man. And if you have any questions, got any need to get in touch with me, my Twitter handle is pretty active. Also on Discord too as well. I might even start popping my phone number up on the charts on the screen. That way people have it. So if anybody needs anything, man, y'all know how to get in touch with me. But much love, man. Hey, thank you, One Shot, for all the support, man. I really do appreciate it, man. Help us keep the lights on over here. And thank you, everybody, for tuning in tonight. Really means a lot to me, man. And we just try to give you the best information, what's happened daily in the crypto market to where you can make the best decisions with your investments. So with that being said, guys,